Alright, so in previous slide, okay, I already mentioned about the input and output devices, which is we need the input and output devices to make sure that we can translate whatever we understand into a computer can understand, and output devices from whatever computer understand into whatever we as a human can understand. Alright, so actually they were released into the data representation. Alright, so computers are incredible tools that empower users to engage in a wide array of activities. So they will facilitate the tasks such as accessing information, enjoying your music, playing games, and much more. Alright, so for a computer to operate, the data must be represented in a specific manner. So all data stored within or transmitted to and from a computer is conveyed as electrical signal, which can be either on or off. Okay, so to effectively process the data, whether it's a text or images or audio, the computer must convey this information into binary form. So binary, being a base 2 number system, consists only 2 digits, right? That is 0 and 1. Consequently, all data within a computer, including text, images, videos, and sound, is stored and transmitted as sequences of bits or binary digit. Alright, so in a simpler term, data representation covers how data is stored, manipulated, and transmitted across devices. So the process of converting information such as text, numerical values, images, or audio into digital data that can be manipulated by electronic devices is termed digitalization. Okay, all right. So the next one, okay, the next slide. Okay, so a bit, which can be either a 0 or a 1. Okay, serve as the fundamental unit in digitally representing the data. This terminology related to bits and bytes is extensively used to describe the storage capacity and the network access of the speed. Okay, all right. Next, okay, when we look into this slide, okay, this is an illustration of data representation of character B to be decoded into a binary. Okay, so computer utilize ASCII code. Okay, so we have a few types of codes of binary codes. Okay, computer code. One of it is ASCII. All right. So they will value to convert the text or other data into binary representation. Okay, so taking the letter B, capital B as an example here, when it is input via the keyboard, the computer recognizes its ASCII value as 066, okay, which it then converts into a binary 01000010. Subsequently, the computer can store and manipulate this binary data. Okay, so on the other hand, when the computer needs to translate binary data back into human readable text, so it will reverse the process. So for instance, it may convert the binary 01000010 into a decimal value of 066 using the ASCII standard, and resulting in the output of the letter capital B on the computer monitor. Okay, all right. And the next slide is another illustrations of data representation using the word byte.